Morning people, we are out on the Hyper. First ride with everything done, wheels, exhaust, flash, everything. Fucking bike looks amazing, doesn't it? Looks great. So yeah, so I got obviously new tyres, new discs, so I need to just be a little bit careful this morning, but let's just go for a little morning toot just to see how the bike is doing after all these changes. There's been a lot of changes. So yeah, I'm back on sports tyres, the knobblies are off. See what madness the bike now has. Let's see what it sounds like. It's not so bad. I got my earplugs in, so it doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, look, bit of advice, thank you very much YouTube. So yeah, let's take it easy. Ooh, fruity. Steady roads. Let's wake people up. Tell you what, it feels very like lighter, bit more nimble, bit like twisty. It just has a presence on the bars. It just feels a bit lighter. Maybe that's just like a tiny bit of effort off the wheels. Obviously exhaust saves loads, 5 kg pretty much, nearly just under 5. Obviously I've got the sportier fast road track tyres on, medium compound, soft compounds driving. Initial impressions, bike feels nice. So have a little frap, let's see. Whoa, fucking hell. You can feel it in when you're in that punchy rev range, which I think is between 3 and 6 is where we've had to add a bit of fueling. That fucking hell. Just nice and quiet, suiting along, sitting in 4th gear, 3.5, 4,000 revs. What the fuck? I'll tell you what, the exhaust sound is nice. It's not droning, it's not hurting my ears. I've got earplugs in. It sounds fine. And that's with the baffles out. I haven't got the baffles in. I don't know what it's like on the outside. I'll try. I'm on my own today, so I might try and do it through drive-bys somehow. Stick the GoPro somewhere, make sure no one robs it. Smooth, it feels more linear. It's not as if it was like aggressive and impulsive like before. I wonder if I have to do something with the suspension now, because I've literally saved 5 kilos off the weight of the bike. I've got the rotational mass, unsprung mass, whatever that is less on the bike. Rotational mass is a little bit less because of the wheels, not a lot. I don't think that'll fucking make much difference. I wonder if I have to do something with the suspension. Drop a comment below if I need to do anything you reckon. Lighter bike, does it need a bit more tweaking? Fuck, man. It's like every time you ride this bike, no matter what little tweak or change you make, I'm just fucking laughing to myself. And it don't even feel like, I mean, if I did that launch on an R1 from that roundabout, I'd be doing fucking 150 in probably 2nd or 3rd gear. Whereas here, I'm just fucking giggling to myself. Nice bike in front, big wide motherfucker. He's out in his jeans, flapping away in the wind. I'm sorry guys, I have to wear leathers. I can't get around that wearing boots. I guess it's called the style of the bike, you have to. But man, not me. Alright, should we see if we can find a tiny bit of a twisty road or where there's no traffic. Respect the limit, people. We live in the UK. Ooh, check that fucking bad boy out. Hey, what's this car doing? Make your mind up, bruv. Can't tell if the roads are wet or it's just a little bit damp. I mean, look at that, it's perfect. Just sit in this rev range of third gear and just on and off the throttle if it's corner seems good. A little bit on, a little bit off. You don't really need to do anything else. I wonder if that sign's there because of my accident. This is where I had a monster crash. I landed in there, fucking missed a tree, I was lucky. Bit sensitive on the bumps. I don't know whether I'm just feeling it more or whether I'm just a bit more you just be a complete twat with this bro, can't you? What can I give as a final verdict on this bike? After everything that's been done, I don't believe there's much more that I can do to enhance mechanical performance, grip, agility, braking. I think it's got it all now. This bike is absolutely nuts. I've never had so much fun on a bike ever in my life. You can drive like you're driving your granny to church, like I am now at the moment, just chilling, just enjoying the scenery, just enjoying being on a ride, enjoy being on a bike, just chilling. Or you can drop a few gears. Try and look a complete fucking nutter. Perfect. I mean, what more do you want? Too fast? Fuck off.